Howdy, welcome back to the shop. We're working on the S10 dune buggy, and we've got the interior stripped out of it, and we're going to leave the interior out of it just because we are. So I want to have a headlight or a dome light in this rig. So here's the wire for the original headlight, or dome light, I'm sorry, and it ran in this channel, something like that, along the floor, which is right underneath of the driver's feet. And we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do is reroute this in some Greenfield. Greenfield is, the real name for it is FMC, Flexible Metallic Conduit. And it's flexible metallic conduit. You may have seen BX or MC cable. Well, the wrapper on the BX cable in a house or a commercial building is called Greenfield or FMC. So in an automotive world, FMC works real good because it gives you a real nice abrasion protection, and it does remain flexible. So what we're going to do today is get the ends fixed up to where the wire wallering around in the end of this doesn't abrade the wire and short it out. So bear with me, I'll be right back. So I've done this end. Here's the other end. Now what this is 1/2" Greenfield. This is 5/16 ID vinyl tubing from the feed store. This is like 39 cents a foot. It's real cheap. But the point of this is you want something at the very beginning of here to keep your wires from getting braided. So we're going to stick that. That was about a 3-inch piece. We're going to stick her about halfway in there. Then we're going to use a piece of about 1/2" heat shrink just to kind of give it a little bit of bulk. We're going to go ahead and put our big heat shrink, 16 millimeter heat shrink, over the top of that. And then we're going to drop our heat shrink gun. Now we're going to put another piece of 1/2" over the top of the whole shooting match here on the end. Get off that door. There we go. Easy peasy Japanesey. That's nice and flexible. This is all reasonably flexible, and this wire is really well protected because this is going to lay down. Can you see it? Stop, pause it. But our Greenfield is going to lay right about here, and then I'll take some 1-hole clamps and clamp it down to where it doesn't get flopped around and doesn't get hooked on your heel. Clamp it about every 6 inches, and zip pow bang, we've got ourselves something that is going to work right. So You got any questions, ask them down in the comments. And till we meet again, y'all drive safe and watch for deer.
Give us a thumbs up. Or a thumbs down.
Kill it.